Hello friends, welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. Objective of this channel is to discuss various emerging technologies like cloud, artificial intelligence, big data, industrial internet of things, robotics, blockchain, chatbots, and how these technologies can contribute in solving the business process challenges and how they can help to achieve better performance, better productivity, and better profitability. Because that's what every organization is planning and looking at. The process of adoption of these emerging technologies is normally called as a digital transformation. It's actually a process of moving from your legacy system to the new emerging technologies. So in this particular video, I want to discuss general overview about that. The entire digital transformation process is normally shown into three steps or three phases. The first one is digitize the information. What is this digitizing? Your present systems normally are capturing the data in an analog form or in the physical form. So somebody is recording that information either onto the piece of paper or writing down in a books and all that. And then that is getting entered into a computer system. So that's the first step actually. What really we are looking at it is capturing the data directly into the system so that it is more onto a real-time basis. It is more without any manual intervention. So it is more accurate. So possibility of making an error into the system is as good as zero. And then the next step is organizing this information. So if you look at it, the information or the transactions are getting generated at each and every business process. Now that needs to get combined together, compiled into a particular location, at a particular department, at a particular cost center, at a particular business processes and all that. So organizing that information is the next step actually. Like if you take an example of getting a material receipt into the stores. The receipt is the one thing, checking up those documents are another thing, making an entry into the system of either a receipt or issues or adjustment is the next thing. And that has to go into an inventory system. So organizing such information is the next step and all. Then comes the third step is automating those processes, which is normally called a digitalization. When we say it's a digital technologies, it's really getting clubbed with automation. It's like, as I mentioned, the step is you are accepting the material. Now you are validating that material against a purchase order given to the supplier or the contractor and all that. Now, if that information is also readily available, or you can connect material receipt information with the purchase order, that is automating that particular process, or it is updating automatically the information into your purchase systems also. So that's the next step actually. It's basically automating the. I just gave you one example, but when we are talking about complete end-to-end digital supply chain, there are hundreds of processes are there, and all those processes are integrated. So over here, the duplication of capturing the data, entering the data, possibility of making a mistake, everything getting reduced. So no, you can start thinking of automating those processes at one step, and then that can help you to streamline those processes. Like if that information, as I mentioned it to you, of material receipt is getting linked up with a purchase, and then that purchase information is streamlined. So a supplier follow-up also can be streamlined. So it is streamlining the processes and all. So digitalization is that particular process which helps in automating and streamlining those processes. And then when we are thinking about end-to-end digital supply chain of linking up demand planning to supply planning, there are a number of sub steps are there. So digital transformation is the step where it is linking up all those processes across the thing. So I gave you a small definition over there. Digital transformation is a series of deep and coordinated cultural, workforce, and technologies that shift, that enables new educational and operating models and transforms an institutional operation with strategic direction and builds up a value proposition. So that is what is a digital transformation. So it's a big challenge. Maybe in some cases you may have to improve, change your processes by applying business process reengineering also, and accept that technology which is suitable to your processes and all that. So that is where this process of digital transformation helps to achieve the excellence. Hope in a short time I have been able to brief you the digital transformation process. If you have more information required, feel free to contact us. Our domain technology teams will help you. More contact details are shown over here. We also have a YouTube channel where 130 videos are there. Look at those videos also. I'm quite sure those will be also very helpful to you to plan it out your digitization process. Thank you. Bye.